Hello and welcome to my channel. You're watching Roop's Life and Lifestyle. Thank you for tuning in. Recently my daughter Sid was inquiring, why does Ma Kali always have her tongue sticking out? This left me wondering. So I thought let's make a video on this for all my viewers. Keep watching.
According to Hindu mythology, once the demons named Shambhu and Nishambhu grew in force and power and posed a challenge to the king of gods, Indra. The gods were helpless and sought protection from Ma Durga. This was when goddess Kali was born from Durga's forehead to save both heaven and earth from the growing menace and cruelty of demons. After killing the demons, goddess Kali made a garland of their heads and wore around her neck. She became furious and was in a killing spree. To stop this chaos, Lord Shiva threw himself under her feet and she stepped on him accidentally. Shocked and guilty, she stuck out her tongue. This gesture is worshipped everywhere and celebrated as Kali Puja. It is performed on the night of Kartik Amavasya in Hindu month of Ashwin. When the rest of the country worships goddess Lakshmi on Diwali, Bengal worships Ma Kali and celebrates it as Kali Puja. There are two very famous Kali temples in West Bengal. The first one is the Kali temple located in Kolkata at Kali Ghat. It is one of the 52 Shakti Peeths. It is believed that during Shiva's Rudra Tandav, Sati's toe of the right foot fell here. This temple was completed in the year 1809. The second one is the Dakshineshwar Kali temple located in the district of North 24 Parganas. The presiding deity here is Bhavtarini, an aspect of goddess Kali. This temple was built by Rani Rashmoni, a devotee of Kali, in the year 1855. সবাইকে জানাই কালী পুজোর আন্তরিক প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
If you like today's content, please give a thumbs up. More power, more Shakti to all women out there. Lots and lots of love, more positive vibes. Take care. God bless you all. Mwah.